as soon as I put iodine solution on the bread, its color changed. It shows that this bread is very, very rich in starch. Okay, let us perform this test on potato. See, potato is completely yellow at this time. Okay, there is no spot, there is no black or purple color. As soon as I put drops of iodine on it, its color starts changing. It gets converted into dark purple or brownish. It also shows that it is very rich in starch. Okay, that's how we perform starch test. By using which solution? This is iodine solution. Basically, iodine solution is reddish in color, but when it is combined with starch, it gets converted into dark purple. Okay, it's clear to all. But can you name the solution which is used for starch test? Give your answer. What is the name of solution which is used for starch test? Let's give your answers in the chat box.
Excuse
Yes, but there is some problem in network today. You please listen to me very carefully and you can switch off the video. One which is used for starch test. Give your answers in the chat box. What we call the solution. Which solution is used for starch test? Yes. It is very important that you should know the name of solution and the correct spelling. Iodine solution. Yes, very good. And what changes can be seen in the iodine when starch test is performed? What change you see? What change you see? What color changes? Color changes to what? Color changes to what? Color changes to dark purple. Yes, very good. Now open your books. Page number 70. Page number 70. Open your books, page number 70. बच्चे please switch off your videos. Okay, now we are going to discuss back exercise. Those who know the answer and those who won't speak, they will raise their hands. Okay. Then I can ask anybody of you to speak. Okay, first Harvinder. I think Harvinder. Who is this child? Harvinder.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. मैम वो ना मेरे भाई मैम मेरी सिस्टर का नेम है हार्वी.
What is your
मैम हरवीन.
name? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Harveen, read the first question?
Ma'am, what are you saying?
The first question.
Take the correct option. The gas required by the plant of photosynthesis. A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Ozone. D. Carbon dioxide.
Yes. What is your
Ma'am, what?
answer? Please answer, Harveek.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide. Okay. Answer
Okay,
is
ma'am.
carbon dioxide. Option D, carbon dioxide. Okay. Next, Gorika, read second.
Start. IoT.
Yes, Gorika, we are waiting.
The chemical needed to test starch. IoD.
Yes, the chemical needed to test starch. Option is C. Option C, iodine. We have just done this. Okay. Correct answer is option C, iodine. Very good. Next, Vanshika.
A rich source of starch. Potato.
Yes, rich source of starch. We have just done this. Potato is a rich source of starch. See, you have to analyze other options also. How apple, you have potato, you have grapes, you have egg. Okay. Out of these, potato is or the only food item which is rich in starch. Okay. So option B, potato is right answer. Sargu. Okay, I have pasted.
Food made by plants in this form. Starch.
Yes, I have pasted attendance link also. Please go and fill your attendance. Which source food made by plant is in this form? किस form में बनता है food? Food is formed in the form of starch. It is also stored in the form of starch. Okay. So sugar is not the correct answer. Salt is definitely not the answer. Chlorophyll is also not the answer. Okay. I'm going to paste attendance link again. Please go and fill your attendance. I'm giving you 2 minutes for it. Now, come read the next one. Sargun. Sargun, read the next one. I think Sargun just have it.
Food made by plants in this form. Starch.
Okay, Sargun. Ekam, unmute yourself. Jasmine.
Good morning, ma'am.
70. Page number is 70. Yes, Ekam.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Complete the sequence by filling in the right words from the box. Roots dash water from the soil. Absorb.
Yes, roots dash water from the soil. What is a function? This is a function of root to absorb water. Water
Absorb.
present in the soil. Okay, some minerals are also present in the soil. Function of roots is to absorb that water and mineral for the plant. Okay, that water is used up in the process of photosynthesis. Okay, and extra water is also given out. This you will also fill in next blanks. Okay, so read next one.
Tubes conduct water from roots to leaves.
Yes, very good. Second step is tubes. There are thin tubes throughout the plant, which we have discussed. Okay, and their function is to conduct water from roots to leaves. Why to leaves? Because photosynthesis is carried out in leaves. Okay, in the process of photosynthesis, water is required, and that water is conducted from roots to leaves through these thin tubes. So your answer will be conduct. Next, Harvinder, read the next one.
Excuse ma'am.
Yes, who is this?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Leaves use water in the process of photosynthesis.
Yes, leaves use water in the process of
Excuse me, ma'am. मेरी
photosynthesis. Leaves use water in the process of photosynthesis. See, we are doing it this in just first water is
Excuse me,
on, then water is conducted to leaves, then water is used in the process of photosynthesis, and now the next one will be read by Vijender. Vijender Pal.
Leaves use water in the process dash photos.
This, read the fourth sentence. Fourth one.
A lot of water is lost into the air through dash in leaf stomata.
Yes, only one option was left, and the answer is stomata. There is a particular name for this process. Can you name it? Loss of water through stomata. There is a particular name of this process. Anybody remember? Anybody remember this? जिसको पता है वो अपने को अनम्यूट करके आंसर दे सकते हैं. Nobody knows? This is transpiration. Please write here with your pencil. The loss of water through stomata is transpiration.
मैम आपने क्या क्वेश्चन बोला?
You have studied two functions of stomata. First is to exchange gases, and second is yes, बच्चे, I'm back in the team. There was
थोड़ी देर
yes, ma'am, I'm back.
अभी आपकी क्लास स्टार्ट हो जाएगी. ठीक है बच्चे? कई बार आपको भी हो जाता है ना नेटवर्क इशू, है ना? किसी को भी बच्चे हो सकता है ये.
Yeah, ma'am. Excuse me, there, ma'am. Excuse me, there, ma'am. I was saying that we have studied two functions of stomata. First is to exchange gases, and second is to give out water. That process is known as transpiration. Okay. Okay. Now, on the page number 69, there are important terms given. Important terms. We are going to read that now. Yes, Anmol Deep Singh, unmute yourself. Anmol Deep Singh, unmute yourself and read the first one.
Unmute कर मैडम तुमको. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Photosynthesis, the process by which green plants make their own food.
Yes, what is photosynthesis? It is a process by which green plants make their own food. Okay, this is the definition of photosynthesis and you have to learn it by heart. Okay, next, Agamjot. Yes, Agamjot, unmute yourself.
Chlorophyll. The green green substances present in leaves or of plants.
Agamjot, you are also need to read out that word. Not only the sentence, read out the word which you are reading.
Chlorophyll.
Chlorophyll, and what is the meaning of chlorophyll? Read again.
The green substances present in leaves or plants.
Agamjot, this is not present, it is present. Okay. What is chlorophyll? Chlorophyll is the green substance present in the leaves of the plant because of which leaves are green. Why leaves are green? Because there is chlorophyll present in them. Okay, what is chlorophyll? It is a green colored substance. Okay, most of you have not answered me this. Next, reading.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Read next one.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning.
Stomata, tiny openings on the surface of a leaf that help in exchange of gases.
Yes. What is stomata? Stomata are the tiny openings on the surface of leaf that help in exchange of gases. This is the one function of stomata, and second function is transpiration. They also help in the loss of excess water. Okay, you can write here with your pencil also. Okay, now we are going to read out the terms which are given here in the green box. Tanvi, read the first one.
Living things need energy.
Yes. Tanvi, please explain this.
Living things को energy चाहिए.
Why living things need energy?
To work and play.
Very good. To carry out daily activities, all living things need energy. Madhvi, read the next one.
All living things directly or indirectly depend on plants for food.
Yes. Explain it, Madhvi.
मैम इसका मतलब है जो सारे लिविंग थिंग्स हैं वो इनडायरेक्टली और डायरेक्टली प्लांट्स पर डिपेंड हैं.
Yes. All the living things depend upon plants for their food, indirectly or directly. Okay, directly means when we eat plant products, and indirectly all the carnivore animals and omnivore also, when they eat flesh of other animals, those animals also depend upon plants for their food. So indirectly also we depend upon plants. We use dairy products. Dairy products are obtained from milk animals, the animals that give milk. And those animals are herbivores. Most of them are herbivores and they eat plant products. So indirectly also we depend upon plants. Okay, next, Jasmine. She is not unmuting. Arshdeep.
Yes, ma'am.
Read next one.
Green plants make their own food through the process called photosynthesis.
Yes, explain it.
मैम जो ग्रीन प्लांट्स होते हैं मैम वो अपना फूड बनाते हैं प्रोसेस से जिसको हम कहते हैं फोटोसिंथेसिस.
Very good. Photosynthesis. We have done this hundreds of times. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants make their food. Okay. Sakshi.
In photosynthesis, carbon dioxide and water combine with the help of energy from sunlight, which is trapped by chlorophyll.
Very good. In this sentence, photosynthesis is described. Can you explain it, Sakshi?
Ma'am, the chlorophyll traps the sunlight,
Very good.
and the sunlight helps to combine carbon dioxide and water, which gives oxygen and food.
Okay. So first thing is chlorophyll traps the sunlight. Sunlight is necessary for the process of photosynthesis. And carbon dioxide gas from air and water which is absorbed by roots. Water and carbon dioxide combines in the presence of sunlight, and what is produced? Oxygen and food. Very good. Next, Bhavesh, read the next one. Bhavesh,
Good morning, ma'am.
good morning.
Oxygen and starch are produced in the process of photosynthesis.
Yes. So these are produced. So these are the products. Very good, Bhavesh. It was a simple thing. Next, let me ask. Chaitanya. Chaitanya. Pratima. Sanjti.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, Pratima.
डाटा किताब का है मैं पहले बता देती हूँ बस 2 क्लास हो गए बस वैसे भी क्लास 829 829 का 39 नहीं
Sanjti. Sanjti.
8 to the 16.
Yes, ma'am.
8 3 the 24.
Yes, still read the next one. Sanjti, class is going to over. Please read.
मैम आपकी वॉइस नहीं आ रही है
What?
मैम आपकी वॉइस नहीं आ रही है
Sanjit, I'm saying read the next sentence. Athar. Athar, read out the next sentence.
मैम आप ऑडिबल नहीं हो आप, पहले ठीक था।
Tanisha, Tanisha, read the next sentence.
बेटा डोंट अनम्यूट।
Okay, Namanjot. Namanjot, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, read the next sentence. Namanjot, read the next sentence. We are waiting. Class is going to over. Okay, Madhavi. Madhavi, read the next sentence and I'll take your doubt.